Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove background from an image in MS Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to remove background from an image. At first, we insert an image. Then go to the Insert menu and click Picture option. Then we choose a picture on our file. Now I choose a picture, then click Insert. Now we can see here we insert a children picture. Now we want to remove this background. At first click the picture and go to the Format menu. Now we can see here many options. Now we find and choose the Remove background. This is the Remove background option and we click it. Now we can see here automatically some subject selected. Now we manually some subject erase or add. We click the mark areas to remove or we select the mark areas to keep. Now I select the mark areas to remove, then remove the area. Then we click the keep change. Now we can see here we remove the background of this children picture. Now we move the picture, go to the Format menu and click Warp Text option. Then choose in front of text. Now we can see here we remove the background of this picture very easily. Or you resize the picture and move smoothly. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.